Hello, friends. Hello, Storytime friends. Today we're going to read a story, of course. So let's get going. This one is called, it's from the Construction Site series, and it is Road Crew Coming Through. Look at those guys. I always love looking at the artwork. Wonder if it has a back. Let's look. Oh, yes, it does. Now it makes me want to open up the whole scene. Look at that. Road crew coming through. Okay, let's read that. It's a bright, shiny day. See right there. Here we go. So, road crew coming through. Where are they at? They are in some beautiful desert, but look way in the distance. Six mighty friends are on their way to help with something big today. They're off to work on something new. To join the big road building crew. There's a giant job to do. Let's take a bigger look. Look at that. Can you name any of these vehicles? I can only do a couple of them. So they're going to join the big road building crew. There's a giant job to do. Compactors, scrapers, and graders cheer. Honk! Rollers and strippers get into gear. Vroom! Water truck is all set to go. And paver pipes both snort and blow. Huff! So he does pavers and pipes? Wow. Maybe he just does pipes. I'm not sure. Rumbling, revving, shaking ground. All the trucks now gather round, and they'll make a route from here to there. Oh, from here to there, with careful planning through thought and care. The team will build it load by load. A superhighway, a mega road. Excavators to begin. Gets to work by digging in. Scooping heavy loads with ease, he lifts out boulders, trash, and trees. Skid steer, ooh, right there, doing her part too. And in no time at all, they are all through. And you know what? Okay, I'm confused. You guys know this. Okay, this is an excavator with the long arm. And the skid steer is just the little guy, and his little bucket right up there goes down and up. Okay. Boy, I'm learning this too. Do you mind if I read this page one more time now that I've learned something? Excavator to begin. Gets to work by digging in. Scooping heavy loads with ease, he lifts out boulders, trash, and trees. Skid steers, doing her part too. And in no time at all, they're through. They clear tons of loads today, and dump truck hauls them all away. Dump truck looks like he likes his job. Big bulldozer rolls on site, pushing through with all his might. Clearing stumps and rocks and rubble, ripping, tearing without any trouble. Then, sturdy scraper is at hand, to move the earth and reshape the land. With care and speed, she rolls along, cutting, clearing, smoothing, and strong. With her sharp and rugged blades, the embankment and roadbed are made. So that truck right there doesn't look like it can do all the work that it just said it could do. That's a lot. He takes is it a she? Well, it doesn't matter. In the book, it's a she. Takes all the rugged everything and just starts to make it nice and smooth. I think even flat and level, and pushes dirt this way. And that's an embankment. Wow. Oh. Let's look at this picture for a minute. Wow. Look at that. That's vast. And we see some trucks way out here working, doing what they're supposed to be doing, still in the desert. When the grit begins to fly, the water truck is standing by. Her jets squirt water on the ground so dust and dirt won't get blown around. And she keeps the air clean today so all the trucks can see their way. That's a great picture. Compactor has a job he likes, rolling, squishing with his spikes. His heavy wheels push down hard, smashing, mashing, yard by yard. Oh, look at that. So now Grader, and that's its name, Grader, comes along, and he knows just what to do. Her blade will easily cut through. Leveling each bump and groove, she leaves the surface flat and smooth. Her hopper filled with pavers ready. Oh, I'm sorry, now pavers ready. So paver is a vehicle. All right, so her hopper, and I wonder if this is a hopper. Her hopper filled, now paver is ready and slowly rolling strong and steady. Her screed arm lays the asphalt down, a strong new layer on the ground, spreading blacktop all the way. She'll cover this whole road today. Oh, another big picture. So this is roller, a 22-ton roller. Oh, I don't think that's what it says. It says rollers, 22-ton load goes over every inch of road. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth until he's done. He smashes down on every ton, pushing, squishing, and just like that, he makes the surface hard and flat. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm learning too. I got to go back, guys. So, paver is just laying it down. She's just spreading it. Okay. And I think this thing right here probably pushes down a little bit and at least makes it somewhat smooth. Okay, and then we have the roller who comes squishing, pushing, and just like that, he makes the surface hard and flat. Man, the things I'm learning today, how great. Oh, look at this. So now a bridge, it's called an overpass, needs strong concrete to make it last. So the cement mixer drives onto the scene, pouring each load smooth and clean. Then he starts the curb and gutter. He churns and pours without a sputter, lining both sides of the street with miles and miles of fresh concrete. The crane truck. Woo, he's big, isn't he? Crane truck hangs the sign and lights, and sets them in all straight and tight. He holds them firmly. They won't sway on this very windy day. And now, before the work's complete, Striper Truck will mark that street. Ribbons sprayed on, clean and bright. Some are yellow, some are white. Solid double and dashed lines show all the traffic exactly where to go. Now there's just one more thing to do. Hey, we got to let all that traffic drive through. The road is open up at last, and all the cars go swooshin' past. Everyone is on their way. They're heading to their lovely home at the end of their day. The trucks turn back to look and smile. Ooh, this was awesome! Every mile. Let's start down here. Can you name them from the backside even? Oh my goodness, you go ahead. I think that's the dump truck, the water truck. Ooh, what is that one? Oh no, I don't know what that one is. What is that one? Is a crane? Ooh, I don't know. Bulldozer, tractor? Oh goodness, you guys tell me. If you guys got them, if you guys got any of them, give me a thumbs up on your video. Oh man, I'd have to read this book some more to get 100%. All right, this great big project was tough, but it was fun. And now they drive off one by one, proud that they have done their very best. The trucks roll home to get some rest. Away they rumble out of sight. Good job, road builders. And good night.